Hey everyone. So for the last couple of days, I've been seeing a lot of articles online about how people have been coming together to sew face masks for themselves and for the healthcare industry. But there is a no-sew option, and when I went to Google it, there actually were no videos online or tutorials. So I thought I should just make one quick. I apologize for the lack of editing and the filter since I have no makeup on. But here goes. All you need is a pair of scissors, a t-shirt, and a bobby pin or safety pin.